Welcome to the world of wellness and entrepreneurship with doTERRA Essential Oils. I'm Mandy, Sommers, an essential oil educator and a Founders 2.0 with doTERRA International. I've been teaching about the power of essential oils for the past 12 years and helping hundreds of people build thriving wellness businesses. First things first, let's talk about what it means to become a wellness advocate with doTERRA. A wellness advocate is someone who shares the benefits of essential oils with others and helps them improve their physical and emotional health. By becoming a wellness advocate, you'll also have the opportunity to build a business by selling doTERRA's products. So, how do you become a wellness advocate with doTERRA? The very first step is to purchase a starter kit, and you can find a link in the description below to my favorite starter kits. These include a variety of essential oils, and you can even get them with a few other products. These kits will give you everything you need to get started, sharing the benefits of essential oils with others and start building a thriving business. Once you have your starter kit, it's time to start learning about the products and the business opportunity. We offer a variety of resources and tools to help you learn about the products and the business, including online trainings, live events, and a very supportive community of other like-minded wellness advocates. Another important step to starting and sharing your knowledge and the benefits of essential oils with others is by hosting classes, workshops, or online consultations, one-on-one consultations with people in your network, community, or even, like I said, to the online space. It's important to remember that you don't need to be an expert to start sharing. You just need to be passionate and willing to learn. I love using a book called Modern Essentials to teach people about the power of essential oils. Now, last but not least, let's talk about earning potential. As a wellness advocate, you can earn money through retail sales, team building, and bonuses. The earning potential is unlimited, and the more you put into your business, the more you can earn. So if you want to check out my compensation video, you will find that right after this video, linked at the very end, and you can learn all about the income potential and the different ways to earn money with doTERRA. I would love to partner with you and be your mentor in this process. I've helped hundreds of people grow thriving wellness businesses, and I would love you to be one of those people if that's something you're looking to do. So there you have it, the step-by-step guide on how to become a wellness advocate with doTERRA and start your own business selling essential oils. Remember, the key to success is learning about the products, sharing the benefits with others, and building your business. Now go out there and make something amazing. In short, becoming a wellness advocate with doTERRA has been one of the greatest blessings and greatest opportunities we've experienced in our life. We love sharing the benefits of essential oils with other people and helping them to build thriving businesses. The process starts simply with purchasing a kit, learning about the product and the opportunity, and sharing your knowledge to build your business. You don't need to be an expert, just passionate and willing to learn. If you're interested in starting a business with doTERRA and their amazing products, and you're looking for a mentor who can guide you along the way, I would love to connect with you. You can click the link in the description below and fill out the form. We will connect one-on-one and see if it's a good fit for you and for us as well. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you found value in it.